Today, we delve into the glitz, glamour, and groundbreaking fashion moments from one of the most anticipated events of the year. Celebrities grace the iconic steps of New York's Metropolitan Museum of Art, each vying to make a statement in line with this year's theme, the Garden of Time. Among the stars, it was Alia Bhatt who stole the spotlight with her stunning Sabyasachi sari crafted by 163 artisans and extending into a mesmerizing 30-foot trail. Bhatt's ensemble paid homage to the gala's theme, the Garden of Time, with intricate hand embroidery and a handcrafted blouse adorned with precious stones. The Met Gala, which is also known as the Costume Institute Benefit or the Met Ball, is a charity event held at the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York City each spring and always makes for one of the most exciting celebrity fashion events of the year. Often dubbed the Oscars of fashion, the event draws in the biggest A-list names who dress according to a set theme, usually in bespoke creations from the world's most impactful fashion designers. Innovative interpretations of the Met Gala's time-themed attire were evident on the red carpet this year too, including Tyla's hourglass-themed sundress and Mindy Kaling's melting flower of time gown by Indian couturier Gaurav Gupta. Celebrities like Nicole Kidman, Kendall Jenner, and Iris Law chose vintage or vintage-inspired ensembles, while others embraced fairy tale motifs, adding a whimsical touch to the evening's fashion narrative. Inside the museum, guests were treated to the Sleeping Beauty, Reawakening Fashion, which was an exhibition showcasing 250 historically significant pieces, including designs by Elsa Schiaparelli, Christian Dior, and Yves Saint Laurent. The exhibit, inspired by the theme of the Garden of Time, emphasized sustainability and the evolution of human history through fashion. While many stars dazzled on the red carpet, some notable absences were felt, including Selena Gomez, who was occupied with her music and filming commitments.